Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. Greetings, I'm Saif Shaikh, and today, we're in for an exciting deep dive into the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. Together, we'll explore its incredible features, ensuring you're well informed. Let's dive right in. Network. The iPhone 15 Pro Max boasts a versatile range, including GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, and 5G. This ensures seamless connectivity across the spectrum. Launch. It was officially unveiled on September 12, 2023, with a release date set for September 22, 2023, allowing eager consumers to get their hands on it promptly. Body. Now, let's talk about its physical design. It's compact at 6.3 by 3.0 by 0.33 inches and weighs 7.8 ounces. The phone is tough with Corning glass on both sides and a strong titanium frame. Display. The iPhone 15 Pro Max boasts a stunning 6.7-inch OLED display with vibrant colors and a smooth 120Hz refresh rate. It supports HDR10 and Dolby Vision for impressive visuals, and has a sharp resolution of 1290 by 2796 pixels, which means everything looks clear, with around 460 pixels per inch. And to keep it safe, it's got ceramic shield glass and an always-on display. Platform. The iPhone 15 Pro Max runs on the latest iOS 17 and is powered by the advanced Apple A17 Pro chip, built using a 3nm process. This chip features a hexa-core CPU in a 6-core Apple GPU, delivering outstanding performance and graphics. Memory. You have storage choices from 256GB with 8GB of RAM to a massive 1TB with 8GB of RAM. And it's all super fast, thanks to NVMe technology for rapid data access. Main camera. The iPhone 15 Pro Max features a powerful triple camera system. It has a 48-megapixel wide-angle lens, a 12-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens. Plus, there's a 3D LiDAR scanner for depth sensing. You can capture high-quality photos and videos, including 4K with HDR and Dolby Vision support. Selfie camera. The front camera is a 12-megapixel wide-angle lens perfect for great selfies. It supports HDR and 4K video recording, and there's a depth sensor for fantastic portrait shots. Sound. The iPhone 15 Pro Max offers stereo speakers for immersive sound. But, keep in mind, there's no 3.5mm headphone jack, so you'll need wireless headphones or the included USB Type-C port for audio. For connectivity, the device features Wi-Fi 802.11, Bluetooth 5.3 with A2DP and LR support, GPS with L1 plus L5, GLONASS, Galileo, BDS, QZSS, and NAVIC compatibility. NFC is present for convenient transactions, while the phone lacks FM radio capability. It utilizes a USB Type-C 3.0 port, which doubles as a DisplayPort. Features. In terms of features, the iPhone 15 Pro Max includes Face ID for secure authentication. It's equipped with various sensors like an accelerometer, gyro, proximity sensor, compass, and barometer. Notably, it supports ultra-wideband 2, UWB, and offers an emergency source feature that works via satellite, allowing SMS sending and receiving in critical situations. Battery. The iPhone 15 Pro Max is powered by a non-removable 4422 mAh Li-ion battery. It supports fast wired charging, giving you up to 50% capacity in just 30 minutes as advertised. Additionally, it offers 15W wireless charging with MagSafe and 7.5W wireless charging with Qi-compatible accessories. Miscellaneous. In terms of looks, the iPhone 15 Pro Max comes in colors like black titanium, white titanium, blue titanium, and natural titanium. There are different models with codes like A2849, A3105, A3106, A3108, and iPhone 16 too. As for the price, it starts at 159,900 rupees or 1,729 euros in India. That's all you need to know about the Apple iPhone 15 Pro Max. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe, like, and share it. Stay tuned for more tech updates. Thanks for watching.